I have very weak spark from my Tecumseh OV358EA ignition coil and spark plug. Coil has been replaced, plug has been replaced.
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
I have been trying to get this mower to start for the last 2 weeks.
Do you have fuel in the tank? If so, is the shut-off valve open and the fuel clean?
Yes, there is clean fuel in the tank and available at the carby. I have also tried start you bastard, but it still will not fire.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I have also checked ignition coil air gap, spark plug gap, and valve backlash. All okay.
What have you set the air gap to?
Air gap is set to 0.0012 inches.
Did you mean 0.012?
No, I do not want you to call. I wish to cancel this request, and would like to receive a refund.
Did you try removing the one ground wire from coil? Is the magnet on flywheel shiny? And 0.012 air gap when magnet is directly under coil. OK, system opt out.
I am waiting for a response.
Just sent you some info to check. Hope the information you received helped get you running. Thank you.
The information you sent did not solve my problem. Would the flywheel magnets cause weak spark?
Okay, so you can't get engine to run?
I do not wish to call. So I have eliminated the ignition coil, the spark plug, the coil air gap, the valve backlash, and the flywheel locating key as being the cause of my weak spark problem. So what else is there for me to try?
You need good compression to run. Possibly leaking valves or head gasket is what's left. Again, the engine does not run? Yes or no?
No, the engine does not run, it will not fire at all. I have checked the compression at about 40 pounds per square inch. Is this sufficient?
Number 40 pounds per square inch is too low. You want to see at least 90. I would say lack of compression is the culprit. Leaky valves or head gasket?
I will check further and get back to you.
Still need help?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.